Nobody's coming to save you. Not your parents, not the government, not a woman, not a motivational video, just you. Here's what happened to an entire generation of men. Society told us masculinity is toxic, a joke, something to be ashamed of, so we stopped being taught what it actually means to be a man. No direction, no standards, no one to show the way. And now, millions of men are stuck in a loop, watching motivation content, agreeing with everything, feeling inspired for exactly 24 hours, and then going back to the same life. Nothing changes, nothing moves, not because they're lazy, because nobody gave them a real map. Today that changes. 13 laws, no alpha male BS, no performance, just what actually works. The last law is something most men are too terrified to even admit to themselves. If you can't sit through a 10-minute video to fix your life, you've already lost. Let's go. Law 1. Take responsibility. Where are you right now? Under the covers watching motivation videos? Here's the real question. Do you like what you see? Did you choose to be here? Or did circumstances choose for you? Be honest. All of this is a consequence of your thoughts. Your here and now is an honest mirror of what you've achieved. Don't like it? Then stop blaming your parents, your boss, or inflation. If you don't take responsibility for your life, the world will find a place for you, fulfilling someone else's dreams. 73% of men under 30 blame circumstances for their failures. Those 27% who took responsibility, they're already building what the rest are dreaming about. Law 2. Learn to go through pain. Everyone wants the reward. Nobody wants the scars. You know who waits for the perfect, painless opportunity? Nobody's successful, ever. While you're waiting, time is moving. And the guys who started before you aren't waiting for perfect conditions. They're just bleeding through it. If you want real change, you need a breakthrough moment. You take on more than feels comfortable. It's hard. It sucks. You want to quit. And then something shifts. That shift is called growth, and it only happens on the other side of pain. Law 3. Control your impulses. Scientists once implanted an electrode in a rat's pleasure center. It kept pressing the lever non-stop, ignoring food and sleep, until it died. The human brain works almost the same way. Every time you scroll through reels or zone out on porn, you're pressing that same button. Your brain floods with cheap dopamine, after which it's impossible to study or work. Learn to control yourself and replace quick pleasures with lasting ones. Sports, reading, quality sleep. Here's a test. If you can't spend an evening without your phone, without porn, without reels, you're walking the same path. The only difference is you still have time to stop. Question is, are you going to use it? Laws 1 through 3 are internal, and nobody sees them. Law 4 is where it gets personal. Law 4. Be honest with yourself. The most dangerous lie is self-deception. We call laziness mindfulness or self-care. We say, I need to recharge, I'll do it tomorrow. In reality, it's just laziness. Want a life hack? Say out loud, I'm not doing this because I'm lazy and afraid of difficulty. Try it right now, out loud. Yeah, it hurts, but it's the first honest step you've taken in years. This admission sounds humiliating, but it's what activates your inner core. If you're not honest with yourself, you can't build a family or a business. Without trust, everything falls apart. If you're still watching, you've passed the basics. But Law 5 is where boys drop off and men stay. Law 5. Build brotherhood. Most men haven't made a real friend since school. Think about that. You have contacts, drinking buddies, gaming partners, but someone who actually knows what's going on in your life? Probably not. Look at your 5 closest people. Are they building something? Or are they just comfortable company while you both go nowhere? You become the average of the people around you, not motivationally, biologically. Your habits, your standards, your ceiling, all shaped by them. Brotherhood isn't hanging out. It's the guy who calls you out when you're lying to yourself, who makes you better just by being in the room. Find those men. It will feel uncomfortable. Good. That's called growth. Law 6. Pursue mastery. Look at the modern guy. Today drop shipping, tomorrow coding boot camp, next month graphic design, all chasing quick money. That's not how masters are built. Here's what nobody tells you. The guy who picks one thing and goes deep for 5 years will outperform 10 guys who kept switching. Every time, without exception. Shift your focus from money to mastery, and the money will follow. Even in what you love, there will be hard days. But in mastery, hard days feel like progress. In a job you hate, they feel like a prison sentence. Pick one thing. Go deep. Don't stop. Laws 7 through 9 are about testing yourself in the real world. Pay attention. Law 7. Be courageous. When was the last time your hands physically shook from fear? If you can't remember, you've been playing it safe for too long. No one is coming to save you. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's the ability to move forward when you're scared. Approaching that woman, asking for a raise, investing in a project, your heart's pounding, voice shaking, but you do it. Where fear lives is where growth begins. Law 8. Master your mind. It's 3 a.m. You're staring at the ceiling, spiraling. What if everything falls apart? What if I fail? Your energy is draining into pure anxiety and not solutions. Here's the method. Ask yourself 2 questions. First, what's the worst that could happen? Live through it. You'll feel better because uncertainty disappears. Second, what can I do right now? And just do it. Focus only on action. Pay close attention to Law 9. This is the one that'll test your ego in the real world. Law 9. Be strong. I'm not talking about powerlifting, but basic minimum strength. If in a dangerous situation you can't protect your loved ones or even break a window in a jammed car, you'll have to ask another man for help. Imagine this. Your girlfriend gets shoved in the subway. Some asshole is yelling at her. And you just stand there silent because you're scared. She'll remember that forever. And respect will die in that moment. Strength isn't for showing off. It's for confidence. When you force your body to lift iron, you learn to control your mind too. You become mentally stronger. You've made it to the top half. The next 4 laws are the ones nobody talks about because they require something most men aren't ready to face. Law 10. Have vision. If I were to draw masculinity, I'd put point A, who I am today, and point B, who I am in 10 years. Masculinity is the arrow between them. Most people don't have this vision. Look at your screen time. If you've spent more hours leveling up a digital character this week than leveling up your own bank account or body, you are an NPC in your own life. Want to be the hero in reality? Set your point B and move toward it. Ask yourself, where will I be in 5 years? If there's no answer, start building it today, right after this video, while the fire's still burning. Law 11. Live for something bigger than yourself. A man without a mission doesn't disappear quietly. He slowly becomes bitter, sarcastic. He mocks people who are trying because watching them hurts too much. You've met that guy. Maybe you are that guy. Strong men don't live to buy a nicer car or upgrade their PC. They live for family, legacy, a mission. When your purpose is bigger than your comfort, you don't break when things get hard. Find your why, not for Instagram, not for a vision board, because without it, you're just consuming oxygen and content. If you don't have a mission yet, finding one is your only mission right now. Law 12. Organize your life. The human brain burns glucose for every tiny decision. If your day isn't planned, you burn out by noon just deciding what to do next. Chaos breeds weakness. A chaotic life creates a chaotic man, and people around you feel it. Here's the difference between a man who has his life together and one who doesn't. It's not intelligence. It's not talent. It's whether he knows what he's doing tomorrow morning when he wakes up. Do you? Take a piece of paper. Write down 3 areas: health, money, relationships. 1 task for each this week. That's already more than 90% of guys do. Law 13. Create legacy. Real power is in what you leave behind. Family, children, students, your work. You're not just burning through years. You're passing down experience and values. Many live in the moment, postponing what matters. And one day, looking back, they see emptiness and credit card debt. Your grandfather fought in a war. Your father built a life from scratch. And you? What is your grand contribution to the bloodline? A meme collection? A Pornhub history? Or something that actually outlives you? Most men will watch this video and do nothing. They'll agree with everything and change nothing. Don't be that guy. A real man thinks about what mark he'll leave on this earth. That's what gives meaning to waking up every morning. These are the 13 laws. Not motivation, not theory. A map. Most men will finish this video, agree with everything, and change nothing. That's fine. This wasn't made for most men. If even one law hit, you already know what to do. Write the number in the comments.